online. Then today I will be teaching you how to make money online with the help of few steps. Okay, so I'll be just explaining about a website which is providing actually the real money. Okay, so what you need to do and how this website works and how you will be get paid, right? So that's very important. Like what are all the different ways in which you will be get paid. So all those things I will be covering in this video. And to earn money or to make money online, you just need a good internet connection and few minutes of your life. Okay, so this is the most trusted and genuine way on internet in 2021, right? So the name of the website is earnbands.com. So you can just type in your Google and come to this website, or I'll be leaving the link in the description, right? Okay, so when you reach the homepage, you can see this is the website, and it's a beautifully designed and well maintained website, right? So get paid daily on earnbands, completing easy offers. Okay, so this is the main motto of this website, which says get paid daily, and you just need to complete some simple tasks. Okay, so if you just scroll down here, then you can see login and sign up. I will come to login and sign up later, but before that I will just show you few things about this website. So the fields or the offers which it is offering is like Google Play, then there are games, Grand Theft, PUBG, PayPal, TikTok, Instagram, and all those apps which they are listing here are coming under their category. Like here will be offering you the offers. Okay, so it may be PayPal Cash or Instagram followers or UC for PUBG, I mean Royal Pass UCs, and Free Fire diamonds or Free Fire game diamonds as well. So everything will be offering. So I will be explaining all these things in a little bit, right? So before that I will just show you few more things, like what are all the offers and how you'll be getting the rewards. Okay, so advertisers want to reward you for learning about their product and services. So basically why this website is paying you, like you'll be having a question, right? So here the big brands will be paying for the main websites, and out of that you will be paid money or a few dollars from that one, right? So you can see daily bonuses will be there, PUBG UCs will be there, Free Fire diamonds will be there, Google Play Store UCs will be there, and here you can see tagline that payments will be on time, right? So available gift cards you can see here: PayPal, Google Play, iTunes, Fortnite, then Clash of Clans is there, right? So all those things you can just see on the screen. Bitcoin is there, eBay is there, and PlayStation, then any other thing which is possible is provided in this website. Okay, so you can just go through all those things. I will just now show you how you can start earning online. Okay, so there are two options: login and sign up. So before you log in, you need to sign up if you are a new user, but already I have worked on this website, and I got a lot of money from this one as well. So I will just show you how the sign up form will be looking like. Okay, so if you just click on sign up, then you can see this dashboard will open here, right? Welcome to Earnbands. Okay, so you just need to fill your full name, then your the account name you have to put here, then email, confirm email, you have to set a password, and if you have got any referral code. Okay, so it is better to put the referral code, because you will be getting 15 points extra. So if you don't know referral code, then you can search online, or else you can refer someone's video where Earnband's referral code will be available, or you can just leave if you don't have the referral code. Then just click on sign up, and after that you will be provided with the sign in option, right? So I will just sign in and show you, right? So I'll just click on login here. Okay, so this is my account, and I will just sign in on this one. Right, so this is actually the new account which I have created recently. So I have another account where I have got a lot of points, and I have redeemed the money as well. So I will be showing you the PayPal payment proof also, what I have received from this Earnbands website. right? So basically how this dashboard will be looking like. So you have got option to redeem here, then refer and earn. What are all the transactions if you have made any will be shown here. I will just show all those things in a little bit time. Okay, so dashboard, currently I have made 10 points. You just need to log in daily, then if you don't do anything also you will be rewarded with 10 points. So that is super cool, because if you just log in for few seconds here, then you will be credited with 10 points, and which is awesome, I think, right? Yeah. Okay, so then what are all the tasks which they are offering? Okay, so here you can see in all offers, first of all, they are Board Kings Android app. So install the game and finish 12 levels, you will be rewarded 1950, some 1950 points here. Okay, so that is not, that is one thing. And next thing, Board Kings for iOS, if you install the game and finish level 12 here within 11 days, then you will be given again 1950 points here, right? So you will be having a lot of offers, and as many offers as you complete, you will be getting that much dollars here. So this is basically win-win situation where you will be earning money, and the website owner will be rewarded for promoting the bigger brands, right? So this is a super cool website, guys. And okay, so next thing, Apple TV is there. If you just click engage and explore this Apple TV, then you will be provided with 48 points. And Apple Music is there. Listen. You just need to listen the Apple Music, or you just need to engage with this app. Then you will be given with 48 points will be credited to your account. Then Bitcoin trading is there. Okay, so you just need to install that app and use that app, then you will be given 54 points. And this is the Policy Bazaar app, you just need to register for that one, and you will be given 117 points, guys. So this is a awesome. And next you can see G5 is there, and Airtel Thanks app is there, right? Also present guided meditation iPhone, so 234 points your survey. So this is super cool. I think you just need to take some surveys. Okay, so this is the most efficient way to make points, right? So if you just complete few surveys, then you will be rewarded with 1000 points, and I think 1000 points will be equal to $5. So you can make this in 5 minutes. So I will show you what are all the points equivalent. Like if you make 1000 points, how much dollars you will be getting. So all those things I will be covering in a bit. Okay, so watch this video completely and understand it carefully, right? So coin switch iPhone, if you use this one, then you will be given 351 points, and poll pay to 525 points, and call app, caller ID, call blocker. So if you use that app, then you will be given with 147 points. And if you use MX Takatak short video app, which is awesome app, right? So you will be given 147 points. And pop slots is there, loot prices is there, take a short survey, so this is good. I think 584 points they are giving. And grab free money, price drop, you will be having n number of things, guys, here. So you can't say I have got few points here. Okay, so pop slots Android, if you use this one, 4680 points. So you can see a lot of offers are running on this website, so you just need to complete as much as possible from your side, right? So this is all offers, and you can just go here. Like if you want to if you want only the survey part, then you can just click on surveys, or if you want desktop apps, then you can just click on this one. Okay, or else if you want only mobile apps, then you can just click on this one, and you can see here. So these are the mobile offers which are available, and here you will be able to check your points, and here a quick uh, offers will be provided, right? So you can just play around this one and go through these things completely. All right, so now I will move ahead and try to show you how much offers, and I mean how much points you need to make in order to get payment, right? So I'll just click on this one, and you can see, so Free Fire Diamonds 68, so your game or site name, and you have earned. Okay, so complete an offer below to earn points. So if you complete this one free fire, then you will be getting 68 diamonds. Trending.com, find all 100 trending top here, then you will be given 3 points. Start earning money online, sign up for an account, you will be getting 204. Like this, you can see there is a list of n number of products here. So if you go on this one, there also you will be having few more offers. Okay, so it is loading just right. Alright, so you can see here opinion world. If you just share your opinion, then you will be given 175 points. And spot the different type of games, answer the questions 100% correctly to get your reward. Must be 100% correct, so you just need to answer the question. If you are 100% correctly, if you answer, then you will be given with 10 points. And policy bazaar, if you use that app, again 30 points. And you can a lot of offers are there. Bitcoin is there, captcha filling is there, universe is there. And if I just scroll down, you will be having BC game, call app, Josh. So this is the popular app which is running in this 21st century. And Z5 is there, MPL Rummy is there, Taskbucks is there, Rizzle app is there, Watch is there. You can just go through this lengthy list, guys. Okay, so it is never ending list of offers where you can make thousands of dollars within hours, right? Alright, so this is all about the offers. Now I will show you the redeem section, how you can redeem your points. Alright, so once you have done all these offers, then you will be getting points in your account. Now it's time to convert your points into dollars or any other currency which is permissible in your country, right? So but before that, you just need to concentrate on this one, that is all payment requests will be processed at every Saturday, as we provide weekly payment. So your payments will be processed at Saturday, so they are paying weekly, which is great. Some website pays monthly, so that is worst, guys, and this website is very good, which is paying weekly for you guys, right? Alright, so now let us see how you can redeem those things, right? Okay, so if you earn 1000 points, then if you want it to convert it to a Google Play gift card, then which is equivalent to $10, then you just need to make 1000 points here, 10,000 points here, so that is converted to Google Play gift cards. And PayPal, if you want PayPal balance, then you need to earn 12,000 points and you will be rewarded with $5 directly to your PayPal account. And if you want PUBG Mobile Season 15, then you need to make 10,000 points. And if you want iTunes gift cards, that is worth $5, you need to just make 10,000 points again, right? So you can see a lot of ways are there to redeem your points. Okay, so you can get 1000 Instagram followers. 1000 Instagram followers you will be getting if you make just 10,000 points on this one. And 74 UC, which is accepted globally, you will be getting just for making 1000 points on this website. And also you can see Free Fire 100 diamonds will be given to you if you make 10,000 points here. And 660 UCs will be given if you make 10,000 points on this website. Like this, you will be having Free Fire 620 diamonds if you make 10,000 points. All those offers you can just go through this by visiting the Earnband's official website here, right? So they have got refer and earn policy also. I will just explain a little bit about this one as well. So make sure to refer and real genuine persons. Okay, so what you can do is you just have to copy this link and give it to your friend. So if if you sign up from this link, then you will be given 15 points. So you can see here, you will be given 15 points and your friend who is referred by you will be given with 15 points. So it is like a win-win situation for both of you, right? So you will be rewarded and your friend will be rewarded, or your any other family member will be rewarded for making the account here, right? So completing the surveys and other things as I explained. Okay, so you can see here how many members you have referred and referral points which you have earned. Okay, so they have also listed the steps. Invite a friend, tell him to join and get bonus, right? So it is as simple as that. Then you can see here transactions, and if you have made some transactions, then they will be available here. Okay, so you can see a complete beautiful dashboard will be available in front of you, where you can see and track each and everything or any other activity in your account. Okay, so this is all about the Earnbands website, guys, where I have just told you how to make money, right? So now I will show you a real money which I have made from this website on my another account. So I will just log into my PayPal account and show you the dollars which I have received. Okay, so this is my PayPal account, and you can see I have got some dollars here, right? So I'll just show you. Okay, so I'll just open this one. This is the first payment which I've received, $3, and this is from Earnband's website, and this is another $10 which I have made from the same website, right? So I have got a few points, and I have redeemed them, and I have got my dollar into my PayPal account. Okay, so this is a most genuine way, guys, and I will just refresh this one so that you will come to know that this is actually the PayPal account where I have got the money. Okay, so you can see after refreshing, the same dollars are appearing here. So that means this is the most trusted website, and I'm showing you the proof which I have made from that Earnbands website, right? So this is all about today's video, right? So thanks for watching this video, and please visit this website and make a lot of money. So all the best, guys.